In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and compare profit and loss reports using the Xero dashboard. Whether you're running a small business or managing a personal project, understanding your financials is crucial for making informed decisions. That's why knowing how to efficiently utilize tools like the Xero dashboard can make a real difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the Xero dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard page, focus your attention on the Report section. This is where you can manage all your financial and analytical data. Navigate over there and you'll see a variety of report options. For our purpose today, we're specifically interested in the Profit and Loss Report. Select this option to get started. Now that we're in the right place, it's time to set your desired date range. This is not only crucial for viewing relevant data, but also helps in analyzing specific periods that you are focusing on. Think about which time frame you want to analyze, whether it's the last month, the previous quarter, or perhaps the entire year. Input your chosen dates, and you're on your way to a comprehensive insight into your financial performance during that period. Next, we'll explore the option to compare your current data with past periods to identify trends or changes in your financial performance. To do this, you'll need to click on the Compare With drop-down menu. Here, you have various options. One of the most insightful comparisons is with last year, as it can reveal significant insights into your business's year-over-year growth or challenges. Choose the option that best serves your needs, whether it's comparing against last month, last quarter, or any other past period. With your date range set and your comparison period chosen, it's time to bring everything together. Locate the Update button and click it to rerun the report with all your specifications. This action will refresh the data on the screen, presenting you with a clear view of how your financials stack up against the past periods you've selected. It's a crucial moment to see all the numbers laid out, offering you a detailed comparative analysis at a glance. Remember, the key to effectively using these reports is frequent and consistent analysis. The insights you gain from these comparisons can drive strategic decisions, influencing everything from budgeting to forecasting. So don't just generate these reports once. Make it a regular habit to get the most out of your financial data. That's all for today. By following these simple steps, you can harness the power of the Xero dashboard to better understand your financial performance over time, offering you the clarity and insight needed to make more informed decisions in your business or project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to take charge of your financial data with confidence.